Okay. So the next thing we'll be doing here is the header and footer. All right. So let me show you how to add the header and footer. Don't forget the header and footer of the document. Header and footer can be used to add page numbering, a date, or the number of the document. All right. So to add a header and footer, what you need to do is go to the top of the document. All right. For instance, if you double click it, when you double click on it, don't forget this shows the header, and if you go down, it shows the footer. How will you know when a header or footer is activated? When it's active, what you know is that when you double click at the top page of your document, the main page or the main printable page will be dim. For instance, what we have now, you see that the main printable page has been dim. It has been dim. So as it's been dim, this is where we have the header and footer. For instance, we can have number 1 here. All right. As we have number 1, I go down. When you go down, let's see what we have here. You see what appears there at the first one is number 1, all header. We have 1, 1, 1, 1. So you use it to keep a demarcation or page name, or let's say for instance, in some people use it to give a title of their page. Let's say for instance, I want to title this computer training 1. All right, and I click on it. All right, so if I close the header, you see computer training 1, it will appear in each of my documents. All right, so you are seeing it's here. You go to the next page, it's here, and to the last page. Okay, so this picture has covered it. So from the top, the second one, the third one, it's always there. So if you want to add the folder, don't forget it's almost the same way. Come to the down, click on it. That's where you can add your folder. All right, so here is where you choose what you want to add. Do you want to add a page numbering, or do you want to add a date and time? What do you want to add in particular? All right, so if you want to add date and time, this is where you add it. You add, let's say Tuesday, April 2. All right, when you click on OK, automatically the footer is set to today's date. All right, this is April 2. Go to the next one. You have Tuesday, April 2. Go to the next one. You have Tuesday, April 2. So if you want to add the page numbering, come up here. You can delete this. Go to design. Then here is where we have page numbering at the top. We have here. How do you want to format it? All right, it's a 1 page. All right, so we have the page whether we have page 1, here we have page 2, and here we have page 4. So you have done page 3. So there's no need of you stressing yourself saying you want to number your page one by one. For instance, you are having a quote and easy something to be typed that is above 100 page or that are many. You don't have to stress yourself. That's how to add a page numbering. All right, and that's how you add dates to whatever you are doing. So as you can see here, the last one here is April, Tuesday, April 2. All right, so that's how to add it, and we have page 5 here. All right, so that's how to add your header and your footer. All right, I would like to continue from here, but there is a software I would like to introduce you to, which is based on our computer or our training. We've covered up computer application, we've covered up introduction to computer, beginner's guide, introduction to different software, which I'm still yet to introduce you more. Typesetting is what we are going to enter right now before I go further to Microsoft Office. All right, don't forget we've already touched the Microsoft Office, but I decided to skip typesetting and I've become teacher. All right, for some purpose. So now we are going into typesetting. All right, so how to type a document in your Microsoft Word. So for that, how to type a document, we'll start by learning how to use your computer keyboard, and there is where I will first of all introduce the almighty Marvin's Beacon teacher to you. which is for fast typing. I'll drop the software in this WhatsApp group, and I want you all to install the software. I will show you how to install the software, and I will show you how to use it. Use it. I'm giving you only today and tomorrow for this lesson. After tomorrow, I'll start setting a test. Please and please, if you miss the first test, don't miss this one. All right. So I'll give a test to see who is fast in typing, because this Math Bacon teacher is going to teach you how you can be faster with the typing and how you can be conversant with your keyboard and how you can be typing without looking at your keyboard. I know some people want this. All right. So let's go into the lesson. After then, when we come back, we go into fast typing lesson. Okay. Before we finish up the Microsoft Office. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.